Welcome to this new video. Remember, to illustrate these videos, we are using Jones Arc, a 10-staff company with over 3 years in the market and 2 ongoing projects. These are the folks that work at Jones, and they will help you see how things work. Jones Arc has a studio management plan, so you can see all features working. In this Play with Frank series, we have created 9 videos that will show you how to take advantage of your free 1-month studio management subscription. The first video shows you how to set up your project and set up your team to get started. By using the Play with Frank project, you can test all features before you start with your own projects. So let's see how we can add this project. You go to the project console, hit Add Project, and we're going to use the default setups so you can see how Frank can help you hit the ground running. It's going to be an own project, and we're going to use the architecture discipline. You will set up a custom code, should you have any of your own, the project name, and then the start date and the end date. Notice that I missed an H, so you can see how your project name can change later whilst keeping the code for your ease of coordination. Once you're ready, your project will be created. As you can see here, the first thing you see is a dashboard. You can see all of these widgets with different information that, as long as you complete the basic data, will give you daily information about how you're going. If you go to the Info tab, you can easily select and complete all the information needed for you to understand where your project is located and what the project is about. In this particular case, the goal of this project is to enable you to play with Frank and see all features working. Remember, we're using Jones Arc for you to understand all the features and how they work. The first thing you need to do is set up your contract details. This is a very important practice, so you always start knowing what are the parameters that will be the boundaries of your project. So you can set up the main information about the contract. We can add a contract file later, and once you have your information, you will see all of this coming live in the dashboard. Now, the contract is not approved, so the dashboard will continue to tell you that you need a contract approval. Of course, you always want to have a copy of the signed contract for future reference. Now the dashboard is fully available and open for the team and the project manager to measure how they're doing. Let's see how you add your staff to your project. You want to make sure each project has your staff assigned to it so they can play or work with the project and as a reference for future searches. Here, I'm already assigned as Peter as a project manager, but I will change it to a principal designer, and I will add Sarah as a project manager and Tom as a team member. Once I hit save, I can see all the staff that is committed to this project, which I will be able to inactivate later, and we are saving this private button for when we can share information on the website. Every time you add someone to a project, they will receive a project invitation email, and this opens the door for your staff to start collaborating in your projects. In the next video, we're going to see how task and time tracking works. Thank you for watching.